Ever think to yourself, who am I? I've not invented anything, and I'm not qualified. Here's the truth. Inventors, degrees are not required. Original ideas are. Some of the world's biggest breakthroughs didn't come from professors or pedigreed PhDs. It was those from the outside, looking at a new perspective and solving a problem from that perspective. So let's think about things differently. You don't have to have all the qualifications, all the degrees on the wall. It's more about seeing the solutions that others miss. You know, they don't ask about GPA or credentials at, the venture capital companies or at Shark Tank. They ask, what's your idea? Are you making money with it? What are your sales? So if you've got a solution for the marketplace and you've thought it through and got a business plan, you can be successful without any degrees, without any qualifications. The only real one is, do you have your patent secured? Let's take some real world proof to sort of flesh this out a bit. The first one, Trevor Bayless from Wind Up Radio. Trevor was not an engineer with a bachelor or master's or even a doctorate degree. He was a swimming pool performer who tinkered in his shed. He invented the Wind Up Radio to help spread information in remote areas and earned patents to challenge global communication. Number two, Margaret Knight, paper bag machine. Margaret had no formal education, and she worked in a cotton mill as a child. She invented a machine that created the flat-bottom paper bag, filed patents, and became one of America's most prolific inventors of all time. Number three, Joy Mangiano, the miracle mop. Joy was a single mom working multiple jobs, no tech background, no formal college or formal training at all. But she invented the self-wringing mop, patented it, and built a multi-billion-dollar product line. None of them had degrees in engineering, but they had original ideas. That's what counts. So if you have an original idea, you think you've got something special, degrees don't count. Qualifications don't count. You're in. Schedule a free discovery call today. See how we can help you move forward at boldpatents.com. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.